What's going on, fan? Thanks for tuning back into my channel. I'm gonna start off here so I can close the hood, then I'll show you around the car. So all my modifications so far, I got a K&N filter in this, 50% more airflow in my recent video you guys saw. The link is in the description below on Amazon, and you can replace it with stock too. You'll definitely get more performance out of it. And then I got a PRL intake, the hose for again the volume, air volume, and I wrapped it up with the heat shield here so prevent the, since I have a PRL downpipe catted and also have a PRL front pipe, so whatever heat comes up from here, so this way with the heat shield the heat doesn't mix up into the cold air. This way your performance is good throughout long drive, whatever, racing, anything. That's what I did so far. So I'm trying to get an engine cover for this, trying to find one, and also here I'm going to do Hasport, the engine torque mount for this, the upper one, so I don't have engine engine reflexes and no wheel hops, so I have more traction and control over the car when I take off, or launch control, because I'm running on stage 2. So this one is coming soon for sure, and then I'll put a review on it. So make sure you're subscribed and all the notifications are on for my channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the hood for now, and then I'll do the walk around. You guys, I apologize, the car's a bit dirty. I've been helping out my subscribers install their modifications on the car, but it's a bit dirty, it's whatever. So we're gonna start off from the back. So the spoiler, I changed the rear spoiler. Most of you guys hated the one before I had, so I hope you guys are satisfied now that it's changed. This is side, and then, you know, sideways, the back, it looks really good, it's nice. This, I think, is a lot better than the one I had before, so thanks for the idea and thanks for the advice you guys give me. And the tail lights, I did use VHT nightshade to kind of tint them a little bit, but it's been a year, so it kind of faded off a little bit, but it's still. And then I made this one darker on top because of the, it works on the touring model but doesn't work on the 1.5. And then this is the clear one that I shaded it in, so it looks good like that. And then when I go around, so yeah, I got the rear spoiler on top. And again, you guys chose this for me, so I went with your choice. So thanks for the support and the ideas again. It looks really great. And then I got rear diffuser, I guess, side diffuser, or spoiler, whatever. It looks good. And the wheels, I have chrome delete on it, the vinyl. I did get the calipers red like you guys told me to. It's gonna look good, and it does. So let me back up a little bit. So yeah, that's how it looks with the red calipers. I love it. Thanks again. And I got the louvers. This was ordered on eBay. I couldn't find it on Amazon. But the window visors, these are the best ones, honestly. They're amazing. Like when you sit inside, it's actually darker on the inside from the inside too, so it's really good. The tints I got, I think 20%, whatever. I think it's less, it's 20%, I think, and that's 35. And yeah, that's what I did on the sides. On the side is what you see. The links are in the description below for it's on Amazon. So the best thing about Amazon is if you're not satisfied, you don't like it, it doesn't work, you can return it and you get your money back. But eBay, you gotta hustle and hassle all that shit. It's too much. And I got the clear, recently I put a video on this too, clear vinyl. The water doesn't stay up there like snow, rain, whatever, you're driving, so you can see clearly in your side mirrors. It's really clear, you can't really notice from far. And we're going around. I got I did the sun strip on top. It's a vivid vinyl. It's on not eBay, it's on Amazon. It's like 10 bucks, 8 bucks. I just in my video how I did it, and it looks really nice from the inside. Also, you don't get the glare or anything, it's blacked out, so it looks good. As moving up front, moving this way, I dipped this part. It was too expensive to grab small pieces of tents on eBay. It was like 10 bucks for what? For like 3 inches of tent here, and on the other side, I was like, nah, I can do it myself. And then these tints I got it from Crux Motors. They're 50%. And then I got the fog overlay down there, fog light overlay. Then I got the matte front lip that looks really good. And then I did the chrome delete in the front and the Honda emblem, so it's blacked out. That's the front lip. That's how it looks. I really like it. All I'm missing is lowering it soon. So I really want to lower it soon. It's gonna look really aggressive. Yeah, when it's clean, this thing is like a reflection. And then so yeah, so you guys can see the red calipers I did, like you guys said, and that matches. It looks really good. So walking around this way, and then I got the louvers, the sun, the visors. It's good. Everything is looking awesome. There you go. And then the exhaust tips as well. I did VHT nightshade on my exhaust tips. They're chrome, but now I'm thinking about getting rid of it and doing quad tips, so 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. But I did get rid of the chrome, so you can see it's VHT nightshade. It's a bit dirty, so it's blacked out. It's glossy, smooth. Yeah, and that's about it. And in the inside, I'll show you guys. I'll start it up right now, so see how it sounds. Yeah, so it's PRL catted downpipe, PRL front pipe. I did the resonator delete and a muffler delete. So give it a start and a few revs to see how it sounds, and then I'll just do a quick, flyby so you guys could hear it. Alright, so we're gonna show how it revs the car, how it starts. He's gonna do a cold start. That's how it sounds, guys. Alright, for the interior, that's what I got. The lighting and the bottom footwell lighting, and the rest up here I did white LED lights. That's that. And then same thing, I did LED lights here as well, white ones. Looks a lot better. The links are in the description below, in Amazon, of course. For me, my description for Amazon. What else I got? So I got this logo here too, but it's nicer when it's a little darker. You can see a little bit. There you have it. And then the front, the fog light. That's how it looks. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe, and share the channel. Appreciate it.